Welcome to Best Car Fixes Infiniti G35X. Beautiful G37. And why they put 35X there? You say you changed the alternator? He changed the alternator. We have the alternator is very sitting there. But after we change it, it's still the charging is not enough. So we come here and we ask about the battery. They say they just have a new battery from AutoZone. And when I put the tester here, this is for the positive side, and this is for the negative side to see how many voltage I have. And you see here, I have a dead, nothing, not even, you see, 4 volt. So we look around, okay, you change the alternator, look at this battery terminal, it's corroded, messed up. So what we need to do, we're gonna clean this terminal correctly, and also this one here is changeable. So I'm gonna change this. You see this battery terminal here? Please start by battery terminal process. If you have any car, we have electrical problem, change those. So we're gonna clean this one correctly. We're gonna replace this one. Take it out, let me show. No, replace this. Take it out completely. Let's take it out. I'm gonna show you. When you put a new one, you're gonna stay there for it. You're gonna clean this one. This one we clean it. But this one we're gonna change it with a new one. They have it aftermarket, or it is available on AutoZone too. Do not try to cut it and make something different. It will not help you. You just got this car. Where he go? How much you get it for? $2,000. What year? 2008.
Yes,
Arch.
here.
You're gonna send it. Just let me see. You see here now? If you put a new battery terminal here, everything will be good. But look at this, how it beat up. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Look at it. Now you start the car, charging will not be okay. Go to Arch, get one. We're gonna put it in, and then we start from there to see what happens. Hold it from the pin. Yeah, from here. This here. Yeah, go get another. Tell him this is a positive. Nissan and Infiniti is the same, okay? Who's gonna ask when he go there?
Okay. Yeah, somebody coming to get it.
What's his name?
Who am I speaking? Who am I speaking to?
Okay. So this car, he get it for 20 what? 2000? Man, this is so beautiful, man. 2008 Infiniti. Yeah, it's hit here, but he will be able to fix it. This is the headlights. You know, this car have HID light too. This one is gone. So he have to get another one. This is complete unit. Air flow meter sensor. Everything. Yeah, you can clean the other one. No, the battery terminal is clean, already new. Only the not the post. The cable itself. Let me see here. You put a new alternator, right? It still doesn't want to charge. So we're gonna go through a diagnostic, but here we have to start with this one, and then this car have dual air flow meter sensor. Wow. This here on the bottom here, we're gonna move this. We're gonna move this temporary. We're gonna look the 2 wires. You see those wires? One of them is going to the alternator. We have to be sure that all power ground is good. Believe me, if you change it, oh, you didn't put the charger yet. We need to charge the battery. This battery is dead.
Oh, okay.
4 volt is not gonna help. You see now, look a little bit. Okay. Also, one tip: if you need to clean this one here, put hot water on it. Hot water will dissolve all this corrosion. But in this place, I don't recommend you to pour water here because we have computers in this side.
Yeah.
So just try to clean it and dry it out. Yeah. And then we put that one here and bring the charger. We have a smart charger here. This one here is not bad, but most of the time it needs power to start charging. So if you have a dead battery completely, you have to put like a booster or something to support this one. Maybe your problem is just because the battery is completely dead. Let me show you the car from inside. I know those friends that they like to drive those cars. A $2,000 car is good. Door. Here is the car. Yeah, it's nice. If you are lucky, you can get an envelope that is from the ferry's owner, maybe for $1,000 envelope inside, and that's it. Okay. Also, when you have this car, you know it have two air flow meter, sensor, two throttle body, and be sure that you can change your filter. You know, like the filter. Be sure they're new. The air filter, you can change it yourself. Okay. You plug it. If it doesn't go up faster, that means you have to support it with something. So right now, stay there. We're gonna wait a little bit. If it doesn't go up, okay, right now it doesn't go up. If it go, okay, start moving. Start moving, right?
Yeah, just a little bit.
It says new barrel from Eurozone. If it doesn't move, you have to support. You have to give a jumper. Give him a jumper to excite the charger. Put a jumper here. Give him a jumper because it will not. Oh, I see. Start working. Put a booster. It's not gonna go fast. Yeah, give this one. So when you put it in and you help it with the charger, it will charge. How many volts you have there? How many volts you have there? Okay, let's go.
This one on, yeah.
Be sure that it's gonna hold. Okay, you see now, I put a booster. Now the charging system is a little bit up, it's going up. So we're gonna wait for it. We're gonna do this one here. And if it charge, we will put a brand new battery terminal, tight it, and then we see if we charge or not. But we start by here. Stay with us. Okay, G35X. G35X Infiniti. Beautiful car. A quick information about the Infiniti. It is Infiniti 2008. Infiniti G35 actually is a luxury car. Yeah, this is a boy, he found this. How much you get this Infiniti for?
3,000.
Man, I don't believe this is so good. So, as you see here, this is Infiniti G35 2008. The 2008 Infiniti is a luxury sport sedan produced by Japanese automaker. Say it again? Yeah, connect the battery back here. And this Infiniti, it was introduced in about 2003, and it was offered in both rear wheel drive and also all wheel drive. That means the configuration, you have rear wheel drive, on wheel drive. Also it comes standard with 3.5 liter V6. The engine is V6, as you saw there. It have two intake manifold, like in each side it have throttle body built on it. And this engine, which is V6, is produced 306 horsepower and 268 pound-feet of torque. Yeah, that's good. It have 5-speed automatic transmission or 6-speed manual transmission also. This one is automatic. The standard feature on this car, as you see here, include leather upholstery. You see the seat are leather. Also be careful or be sure that to clean the sunroof gutters. If not, water will go inside there and damage the body control module. Sunroof, and also have a premium sound system. Some of them have navigation system, rear view camera, and rear wheel steering system. Rear wheel steering system, that means the steering, when you turn it here, left or right, the rear wheel also it turns. Overall, this Infiniti is well received for being sharp handling, strong performance, and affordable interior. Look how it is. And this guy is lucky he got it for $2,000. It's not bad. Let me know when you put the battery back, the terminal. You put the terminal back? No, is the battery good now? Okay. Okay, you put the battery? Okay, now before you do anything, disconnect it and just let's see if we have, or while it's charging, let's see if we have a battery. No, we have a good battery on it. Just put this one. We need to solve this.
The charger?
We don't. The charger is not on, right?
Yeah, this one only.
Okay, no, just take it out. Now put the battery. Put the tester. We just want to know if this charge is enough.
Okay. We should have this before anything. I should have this before any. I don't want to ground off nothing.
Okay.
Okay.
Put the tester connector there to see how much voltage we have. Good now?
Yeah.
So now go start it for me. Crank it for me.
Start it, let me see.
Because you cannot start it, the alternator will not charge with those dead terminals. Still is not charging.
Still not charging.
Give gas a little bit.
Give it gas. Little gas. Still not charging.
Yeah, it's not charging.
Still not charging. And no light on the dashboard. Not lighting up, the dashboard ain't lighting up.
No battery light, no? Okay, so right now it's charging. The battery light is on or no? Let me see. No dashboard light?
No dashboard light.
So need electrical work.
Yeah.
Okay. So there is some problem here. See battery key. Okay, so the alternator is changed and it's still the car. So maybe the alternator is good. Maybe the first alternator is good. Yeah. Maybe. Okay, anyhow. So we're gonna do electrical diagnosis to see if we can fix it. Now we're gonna get your permission to give us the diagnosis procedure to see if we can fix it for you. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video.